Hey guys, Gino and Sam back with another weekly review. Just a couple of quick reminders. We are not financial advisors. This is for entertainment purposes only. We also have a free Discord chat in the description below if you go ahead and click that. And also please give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the notification button. We're hoping to get to 200 subs by the end of the month.
We're nearly there.
We're nearly there, and we'd really appreciate the help. So guys, to start off the video, we're going to just talk about a stock we don't own, but that had some major news come out this week. So that stock is Nike. So Nike, as you all know, is a massive clothing sports apparel brand, and their revenue rose from 6.3 billion up to 12.3 billion. So it rose over 6 billion. And
crazy,
absolutely insane. And their estimate was to hit 11 billion, so they went $1 billion over their estimate as well. In North America, which is Nike's biggest market for sales, and they doubled to a record of 5.38 billion. And this is absolutely huge. And in China, sales were up 17% also to 1.93 billion. And just their digital sales were up 41% compared to the prior year, and rose 147% compared to the same period in 2019. That is an absolutely huge rise for Nike.
Yeah.
And to thank them, their stock went up 15.5% today.
And some estimates are even saying that it could rise by another 50%, like nearly based off this news. Like, especially on like CNBC and stuff, they're actually saying that it could rise potentially another 50% from here. Like, so like this is also one to keep an eye on for like Adidas and a lot of their competitors. Where are they going to go? Are they going to stay competitive, or is Nike taking a lot of the market share from them? So they're definitely ones to watch over the next while as well.
And also for anyone who's into their shoes, into runners or sneakers, they'll probably have heard of Nike sneaker app. So if you've ever tried to get Jordans or anything on that app, it is next to impossible. So basically, sorry, my coffee machine is giving up on us. So basically, Nike sneaker app, you go in, you register to get the shoes, and you never get them. You never ever get them. And then when them shoes are sell for 110, 120 euros, they end up being worth 300, 400, 500 euros in the aftermarket. The only other shoe brand that I know that does this is Adidas's Yeezys. So Adidas and Yeezy are in partnership until 2026. They signed a 10-year partnership, and they have it up until 2026. Yeezys are obviously owned solely by Kanye West, who is also suing Walmart for their fake Yeezys. So the kind of sliders that he made, horrible looking ones, which we're going to photo down here, they were copied by Walmart, and Kanye West is trying to sue them for basically trying to make money off his popularity. And we'll see how that goes. It'll be interesting to see if he wins that case, because like you see in Ireland with pennies, they constantly make just similar looking
stuff,
shoes.
yeah.
So it would be interesting to see. I think he's just more trying to get his name back into the news more than anything with that.
Yeah. So in other news, Virgin Galactic stock actually rose by 40% on Friday because they were allowed by the FAA to approve space flights for their like rich passengers that are going to be going on there. So like you're going to be picking up tickets for this between 200 to 250k, which is a very expensive flight ticket. Like, and they have like over 600 bookings already.
Yeah,
like,
600
so
bookings,
this is huge news. It's Richard Branson's proper baby at the moment. They were brought public by the philanthropist Shamak, and actually he sold out when it was under $30, I think. So this is a huge move for them. It's huge news, and like, look, these kind of things are going to start probably becoming more common with.
Well, we see it with Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk. They're all talking about. Well, Elon Musk doesn't want to go to space, but he's definitely talking about sending people to space, and Bezos is talking about actually going to space. But like, these, I suppose it's to be made clear that they're not really going to space. Virgin Galactic. They're going 80 kilometers.
It's just higher than the normal standard planes.
80 kilometers higher, and that is considered space. But it's still really cool, and that's some interesting.
So just moving on to the next few stocks that actually had huge moves are the third-party ad-related stocks. So like the Trade Desk, Magnite, they've been really moving because Google has put off removing third-party ad tools from Google Chrome's browser until 2023. This is a bit of a short-sighted potential move for people who have been buying these stocks, as like it's 2023 when will come in and they won't be able to use it unless they do decide to change their mind. But they can use Firefox, IE, and Microsoft Edge, but look, your main market is definitely on Google, so it's definitely something to think of when you're kind of investing in these kind of stocks, that they might be hit down the line and they're just good in the short term just based on one bit of news.
Yeah, and just on the topic of we mentioned 3 stocks there that we don't own that had massive moves. In a video during the week, I did talk about some stocks that we do own that also made massive moves as well, so we're going to link that just above too. So Elon Musk, every week since we started this channel we've had to mention Elon Musk, and it's not because I love Elon Musk, it's because the man is constantly in the news and he's constantly doing something.
Keeping the marketing going for Tesla by remaining in the news.
He is easily the most relevant man in the world the past year, and it's absolutely crazy. But anyway, Elon Musk joins forces with Michael Saylor on a Bitcoin mining council in North America. Yeah, like we don't have too much information on exactly what their plan is.
It's just to move like renewable stuff to mine Bitcoin. Like, so Elon had this issue with a lot of coal and stuff being used in China to mine Bitcoin. China has clamped down on it because of using too much coal and emissions, and just they want more control over their financials. And yeah, so they want to make it a clean, renewable source. So this is the whole point of this North American Mining Council, is to try and make Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as clean for the environment as they possibly can be. So look, it'd be interesting to see where it goes. It's only just started, so yeah, it's just something to keep an eye out in the crypto space. So this kind of brings us into a bit of news, kind of not related to specific stocks or markets or anything, but just that John Mcafee, the real pioneer in cybersecurity, passed away just the other day. He lived a very interesting life, kind of in and out of the news. So yeah, he passed away during the week. We won't go into too much detail to it, but it's just definitely something noting as like, look, he was the guy who really pioneered with cybersecurity when it first came out. So yeah, we'll just lightly touch on what that was. Just going towards the end, so just a bit of stuff on the markets. They're all nearly at all-time highs at the moment, and that really got flung into they really flew up this week, specifically so on Joe Biden's infrastructure bill. So Joe Biden is trying to push through this infrastructure bill to improve like roads, telecommunications, all over America. And yeah, a lot of stocks are really flying up based on the optimism that this brings, and more money being pumped out there. Like, but look, we've kind of mentioned about inflation in the US and how it's kind of going at the moment. Whether this will help or will it make the situation worse is definitely something to cover in later videos down the line as well. So yeah, that brings us just to the end of the video there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to join the Discord chat, and please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out an awful lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Great stuff guys, stay safe. Thank you.